back everyone, and in this video we are going to learn about animation for the poses. So the very first step is I'm going to rename this project as animate pose. The next step is I'm going to delete this sprite, and now I am having a clear stage. Now select this backdrop option and you can select a backdrop of your choice. So you have lots of options available in your Scratch. You can select any of the given option. Here I am choosing this castle one. So this is the background, and now I just want to put one character or a sprite to have animation on that. So just select the sprite part, and now you can go to the fantasy part where you have lots of options like a prince or a princess, or in the castle you have the witch or a wizard. Fine. So you can select anything. Here I am selecting a witch because in the castles we generally have such kind of characters in the stories. Now I really want to animate the poses. So for this I have to go to this costume option and I have to see whether this character or the sprite has different poses or not. So the very first pose is it is standing still. The second pose is she is thinking something with her hands widened. The third pose is she is thinking something very angrily. And the fourth pose is she is giving an intense look to someone. So these are the four poses we have for the witch. And now you can easily change the dress of this. You can have anything of your choice and you can change the character or the outline. So it's on you if you want to change the character. Otherwise you can have this character of your choice. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to code on this character. So the very first thing is I'm going to the event part and I'm selecting when someone press any key, that is space key or a forward, backward, upward, downward, or any key from the keyboard. So you can select this. You have to tell the user you have to see the options with this key. So you have to press space key. Now after space key, what I have to do is I have to switch to some costume. Fine. For switching to a costume you must have this code into the looks. I just want to change the looks of the witch. So I'll just go here and switch costume to this. So if you can see, when space is pressed, then it has changed to the costume like this. You can have any of the costume of your choice. You want to wait for some time, go to the control. You can wait for this like this, and you can have a wait of 0.5 second, and again you can have another pose like this. So when someone press the space key, after 5 seconds she has changed to this pose. Again I am duplicating it, I am putting it here. You can have a different pose like this, and again I am duplicating it and I am putting it here. Fine. And you can have the D part. And what I am going to do is I am again duplicating it, putting it here, just taking weight part here, and here I'll select the A part. So what I have done is I have taken all the costumes like this, and what I'll do is I'll just press the space bar. She is having a different looks. So whenever I'm pressing a space key, she is having all the pauses because I have taken the time for 0.5 second. So if I just take a 1 second gap here like this, and I'll just press the space key, you can have all the characters with the wait of 1 second. So in this way you can animate the poses of the character which is there in the Scratch in the form of sprite. So please join the next videos for more fun, for more sessions on this animation characters. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.